I know well that it would be hard on those who blame me for singing so much. If my songs ever cost them such, this suits me, for it pleases her who keeps me merry, that I don't sing for wealth's reward. I engage in a different pleasure, Lord. I'd rather worry about another thing, for I cannot name her when I'll give ear as often as I sing here. And since I hold such great joy when some girl or boy cries out what I say, I feel like a king. I possess God or her of whom I don't say a thing. He who asks me about my lady does me good, for I don't disguise my expression then. And my joy increases when I hear her name again. Even when one doesn't name her, all the same one may say brings me as much pleasure as it would if one were given great wealth as it should. God shows great fortitude, for he refrains from raising her to himself to kiss. But he won't take her from me, nor do me amiss. Nor is it right that I be down here in dread and fear, since he doesn't take her nowhere he remains, that he keep another woman in my pains. I so perfect myself in loving her that I know if it is known around, other women will use charms on me I found, for which I fret. What shall I do? Shall I hide from view then my great good with its happy truth so pure? Yes, if the power to do so be mine, for sure. But it ever was and never shall be. That great love knows no constraints or ban. Wondrous things come of love's plan. What shall I say if love goes ill when kisses are nil? Alas, may God never let me see that moment. He who gave me a happy evening, carefree. Those Arminos who fancy themselves courteous pull so much towards the left hand that they've taken to slandering across the land. And the true ones are at stake, for heaven's sake, those with appearance but no fundamenta seem courteous, although they never were for us. Lady, your feudal serf, believe me well, for I love you without deception, stain, and remember more than the allegations, pain, the sweet kiss. Now shall I die if I say more? My, how they fail me when I think of that sweet spell, my sense, my hearing, and my sight as well.
When the candle made me see you there, kissing and laughing, what an evening bright, oh, what an evening.
What delight. Juggler, my heart pushes me to go,
to see you mourning